Hey guys, it's Karen. I'm over here at the welding school and I'm going to be making the Black Stallion logo. I'm probably going to be using the plasma cutter to cut out the main shape of it, and then I'll probably add to it with a bunch of other pieces of tools and metal and things like that. I will be recording obviously the process and however I make it, but right now I just want to focus on getting the actual shape cut out, and then whatever else that I can do at home I will do that, and then I'll just continue making the rest of the project from there. So yay, I'm excited. Whee! Okay, here we go.